Hi, I'm Lauren McClain, and I was an alternate for the CBYX flag program, but on Monday, on May 13th, I got changed to a scholarship recipient, whatever you call it. Woo! Yeah! So, I thought I'd make a video because I don't think I've actually uploaded one yet. So, well, I'm 15 and I live in Texas, East Texas. Let's see. I'm really big into like writing and stuff. Like, I've written a couple stories on this app that I use, and you know, yeah. So, and I really like reading, like Harry Potter and the Twilight series and the Hunger Games. It's my kind of stuff, you know. Let's see. Well, I like dancing. I did gymnastics for like 5 years when I was little. And then I stopped because we moved and there wasn't a gymnastics place where we moved, so I couldn't do gymnastics anymore. And so I took up twirling, like batons and stuff, for like a year. I was pretty good at it, but then my teacher like deserted us, so I don't do that anymore. And so then when I got into high school, I tried out for drill team and I made it my freshman year. And so then, like my sophomore year, this year, I tried out to be officer and I was second lieutenant, so I was proud of myself. And then this year, I tried out again because I was still an alternate, and I ended up being captain, but my director made me and one of our other girls co-captains because there's still a chance that I could go, and now I'm going, so I don't get to do drill team. I am student class president of my class, which is really just a title because I don't do anything. I'm technically gonna be graduating early. Like, since I'm going next year, my junior year, I don't want to graduate with the freshman class because they're stupid. So I'm gonna graduate with my class, but just in 3 years, not 4. So, I really like to run, but I'm terrible at it. I can't run for the life of me, but I love it. So, yeah. And I also am very excited about going next year. I screamed when I found out. I was in the middle of class and I looked at my email and I like threw my phone into my friend's bag and started screaming and yelling and shouting and crying all at the same time when I found out that I'm going next year. So I was so excited. But my teacher, like, she's one of my coaches, and she was like, no, you can't go, but I'm so happy you're going, and stuff like that. So, yeah. And I'm the principal's daughter, so kind of sucks, but it's kind of cool at the same time. So, And I think I'm gonna be like the first person from my family to go on, or from like my school ever, to go on a foreign exchange program. So I think that's awesome. And yeah, this video is going on a lot longer than I thought it would. So I'm so excited about this weekend and about going next year. We have 87 more days. I'm so excited. I'm counting down. So I even made myself like a little sign that I put by my bed to tell everybody that I'm going to Germany. I'm so excited. So yeah, I'll see you on Friday. Bye.